Vivo Y300 Pro launch date in China has been officially confirmed. The Vivo Y300 Pro will be launched on September 5th, and the teaser images shared reveal the complete design details. The Vivo Y300 Pro teaser image shared shows the phone in gold and blue color options. It's coming 4-color. The Vivo Y300 Pro will be just 7.69mm in thickness. The Vivo Y300 Pro 5G also introduces Vivo's latest display technology, featuring a 6.77-inch 120Hz micro-quad curved OLED screen. The display offers an ultra-bright 5000 nit brightness. The Geekbench listing of the device revealed that the Vivo Y300 Pro will have the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, 12GB of RAM, and Android 14. We see a large circular camera module present on the back panel. There are 4 cutouts, out of which one is an LED flash ring, a 50-megapixel primary camera, while it has a 32-megapixel on the front for selfies. The Vivo Y300 Pro 5G will pack a massive 6,500 mAh battery, will charge at 80 watts. We expect Vivo to tease more specs about the Y300 Pro in the following days. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.